this video, let us solve the questions which appeared in previous year question papers from the chapter Trigonometry. The first question, the value of cosecant 45 is, just remember that cosecant ratio is reciprocal of sine ratio. So find sine 45. You know it 1 by root 2. So reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. So option B is correct. The second question. The value of cos 90 minus 30 is. This is a complementary ratio. Complementary ratio of cos is sine. So sine 30. Sine 30 is half. The third question is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is one of the important identities. The fourth question is value of cot 90 is 1. The fifth question is value of secant square 26 minus tan square 26 is, once again the same identity, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to secant square theta. So secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Secant square 26, here theta is 26. Minus tan square 26 is 1. Option D is correct. The sixth question is, if 13 sin theta is equal to 12, then the value of cosecant theta is, sin theta is 12 by 13 transpose. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sin theta. It is 12 by 13. So sin 30 cosecant theta is 13 by 12. The seventh question is value of cos 48 minus sin 42 is. This is once again complementary ratio. Sin 42 is cos 48. 90 minus 42 is 48, isn't it? So cos 40, this is sin 90 minus 48, which is equal to cos 48. Cos 48 minus cos 48 is 0. Option A is correct. Value of sin 30 plus cos 60. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. The ninth question is value of sin 30 plus cos 30 is. Very easy question. You know sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is 1. So option D is correct. The 10th question is 1 mark question. So some of the steps we have to do to get marks. Here you can observe that sin square theta plus cos square theta. It is an identity. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So instead of sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can put 1. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. The 11th question is, write the value of sin 18 by cos 72. By observing this, we can say that it is complementary ratios. Sin 18 degree can be written as 90 minus 72 by cos 72. Sin 90 minus 72 is cos 72 by cos 72. That is equal to 1. This is the answer. In the figure, ABC is right angled at this is 90 degree. If angle C is 30 degree, AB is 12 centimeter, then find the length of AC. This is hypotenuse. If this is 30 and side opposite to it is, this is theta, this is opposite side. As usual, this is hypotenuse because it is opposite to 90 degree. So we can take sine 30 is equal to, so yes, opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta here is sin 30, opposite side is 12. We don't know hypotenuse. This is AC. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 or half. 12 by AC. Cross multiply. AC is equal to 12 into 2. This is 24 centimeter. Therefore, AC is equal to 12 centimeter. No, 24 centimeter. Find the value of tan 45, cot 45. Tan 45 is equal to 1. Cot 45 is equal to 1. So tan 45 plus cot 45 is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. Cos theta is 24 by 25. Then write the value of secant theta. We know that cos and secant ratios are reciprocal ratio. Cos theta is equal to 1 by secant theta. Better to write secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Directly you can write. It is not necessary actually. So secant theta is equal to 1 by 24 by 25. Just write reciprocal ratio 25 by 24. So secant theta is equal to 25 by 24. Sin square is equal to, sin square A is equal to 0. Sin square A is equal to 0. So sin A is equal to square root of 0, that is 0. When sin A becomes 0, sin 0 is equal to 0. So cos 0 is equal to 1. Or you can also do like this. Another method, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is an identity. Sin square A is 0 plus cos square A is equal to 1. So cos square A is equal to 1. Cos A is equal to plus or minus 1. Cos A is equal to 1. In the figure, here is the figure. Write the value of sin P and sin 90 minus R. It is a 2 marks question which is taken from model question paper 23. Now what has been given here? PQ1 unit, QR1 unit, PR root 2 units. We have to find the sin P and sin 90 minus R. How can we find? We know that sin ratio is We know that sine ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. To the angle P, which is opposite side, QR is opposite side. Hypotenuse is PR. So sine P is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, that is equal to QR minus upon PR. QR is 1, PR is root 2. So sin P is 1 by root 2. We know that sine and cos ratios are complementary ratios. So sine 90 minus R is equal to cos R. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here to angle R? QR. Hypotenuse is PR. So cos R is equal to this cos R. Adjacent side is QR. QR is 1. Hypotenuse is root 1 by root. In the given figure, find the value of sine theta. Here is angle theta, and tan alpha. Here is angle alpha. It is given that AB is equal to 1 unit. BC is equal to 2 units. AC is equal to square root of 5 units. We have to find the sin theta and tan alpha. Here sin theta means opposite side by hypotenuse. For the angle theta, AB is the opposite side. AC is hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to, we know that sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. AB is 1. BC is root 5. So sin theta is equal to 1 by root 5. Now tan alpha. Tan ratio is opposite side by adjacent side. For the angle alpha, BC is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Now opposite side is BC by adjacent side is AB. BC is 2 units. Adjacent side is 1. So the answer is 2. In the given figure, find the values of sin theta and tan alpha. Here is angle alpha, here is angle theta. What has been given here? AB is equal to 12 units. BC is equal to 5 units. AC is equal to, that is hypotenuse, 13 units. Now let us find sin theta. Here is angle theta. Sin ratio is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Just remember SOH. means sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. For the angle theta, opposite side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So AB is 12 units, AC is 13 units. So sin theta is equal to 12 by 30. Then we have to find tan alpha. Where is angle alpha? This is angle alpha. Tan ratio is equal to TOA, T-O-A. So tan ratio is equal to opposite by adjacent. For angle alpha, opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. Here BC is 5 units. It is not AC, it is AB. AB is 12 units. So tan alpha is 5 by 12. In the figure, ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle B is 90 degree. If AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, AC is 25 centimeter, then write the value of sin alpha and cos alpha. Here is the angle alpha. We have to find sin alpha and cos alpha. What has been given here? AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter, AC is equal to 25 centimeter. We have to find sin alpha and cos alpha. Sin ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. SOH. SOH. For angle alpha, opposite side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 25 centimeter. So sin alpha is equal to 24 by 25. Now let us find cos alpha, which is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here for the angle alpha, adjacent side is BC, hypotenuse is AC. So BC by AC, BC is 7 centimeter, AC is 25 centimeter. So cos alpha is 7 by 25. The 20th question is taken from 2020 supplementary exam and it is a 2 marks question. Prove that cosecant A into 1 minus cos A into cosecant A plus cot A is equal to 1. If you see LHS, you can say that there is no identity is used here. So now we have to convert cosecant and cos ratios into sin and cos ratios. Here LHS is cosecant A into 1 plus cos A into cosecant A plus cot A. Now let us change cosecant and cot ratios into sin and cosine ratios. We know that cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Let it be 1 minus cos A itself. Cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Now multiply these two. Sin A 1 minus cos A into, here LCM is sin A 1 plus cos A. Sin A into sin A is sin square A in the denominator. In the numerator, 1 plus 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. By the identity A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Here we can use cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A by sin square A. That is equal to 1. That is RHS. Hence proved. The 21st question is taken from 2020 supplementary exam and it is 2 marks question. Prove that tan A minus sin A upon tan A plus sin A is equal to secant A minus 1 upon secant A plus 1. Now let us take LHS, which is equal to tan A minus sin A upon tan A plus sin A. Here we cannot see any of the identities and LHS is not related to RHS. So what can we do? Now let us convert tan A into sin and cos ratios. So what is tan A? Sin A by cos A minus sin A upon tan A is sin A by cos A upon cos A plus sin A. Into 3 methods we can do. Here what can we observe here? Sin A is common. We can take it outside. Here also sin A is common. We can take it outside. So this is equal to, we have taken sin A common. Here 1 by sin, we have taken sin A, no? So 1 by cos A minus, we have taken sin A here outside, so 1 by, here also we have taken, let us take sin A outside, common sin A into, here we have taken outside, so 1 by cos A, this is cos A, plus we have taken outside sin A 1. So here we can cancel sin A sin A. This is equal to 1 by cos A, observe, is equal to secant A minus 1 upon 1 by cos A is equal to secant A. 1 by cos A is equal to secant A plus 1, which is equal to RHS. See, RHS. Hence proved. 22nd question is 2 marks question which is taken from 2019 main exam question paper. The question is, evaluate 2 cos 90 minus 30 plus tan 45 minus root 3 cosecant 60 upon root 3 secant 30 plus 2 cos 60 plus cot 45. Here first we have to simplify wherever it is possible. Just observe this thing. 2 cos 90 minus 30. Here we can apply complementary ratios. Complementary ratio of cos is sine. So cos 90 minus 30 is sine 30. So let us write 2 into sine 30 plus, in the next step let us solve it, tan 45 degree minus root 3 cosecant 60 upon root 3 secant 30 degree plus 2 cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. That is equal to 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. You can use hand trick. Tan 45 is 1 minus root 3 cosecant 60 is reciprocal of cosecant ratio is sine ratio. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So it is 2 by root 3 upon root 3 secant 30 is reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So here 2 by root 3 plus 2 cos 60. 2 into cos 60 is root 3 by 2 plus cot 45 is 1. Here you can observe 2 and 2 get cancels, isn't it? 2 and 2 get cancelled. Here root 3 and root 3 can get cancelled. Here also root 3 and root 3. Here 2 and 2 can get cancelled. Here it becomes 1 whole thing plus 1 this one minus this one is 2 minus 2 upon here 2 plus this is root 3, this is 1. Here you can observe that 2 minus 2 is 0 by 3 plus root 3. That is equal to 0. 0 by something is equal to 0. 23rd question is 2 marks question which is taken from 2019 main exam. The question is, if sin theta is 12 by 13, find the values of cos theta and tan theta. Here we are given sin theta. In triangle ABC, if angle B is 90 degree, let theta be angle C be theta. We are given sin theta is 12 by 13. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is, so it is 12. This is hypotenuse 13. We have to find the values of cos theta and tan theta. We need adjacent side in both cases, isn't it? How can we find out it? By Pythagoras theorem we can find it. In triangle ABC, BC is equal to square root of AC square, that is hypotenuse, minus AB square, that is equal to, here AC is 13 square, that is 169, 12 square, that is 144, root of 169 minus 144, that is equal to root of 25. So this is 5 units. Adjacent side is 5 units. So cos theta is equal to, we know that it is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is 5 units. Hypotenuse is 13 units. So cos theta is equal to 5 by 13. Tan theta, TOA, means TOA, T-O-A, O-A. Here opposite side is 12. Adjacent side is 5. So tan theta is equal to 12 by 5. 24th question is 2 marks question which is taken from 2019 main exam. If root 3 tan theta is equal to 1, theta is acute, find the value of sin 3 theta plus cos 2 theta. Here it is given that root 3 tan theta is equal to 1, isn't it? Then tan theta is equal to how much? 1 by root 3. You can transpose root 3 to RHS. When tan theta becomes 1 by root 3, when theta is equal to 30 degree. So we have to find sin 3 theta plus cos 2 theta. Sin 3 theta. Theta is how much? 3 into 30 plus cos 2 theta. Theta is 30. So sin 90 degree 3 into 30 plus cos 2 into 30, that is 60. Sin 90 is 1. Cos 60 is half. So that is equal to 1 and half or 3 by 2. Anyway, you can write it. 25th question is 2 marks question which is taken from 2019 supplementary exam. If cosecant theta is 13 by 12, find the value of cos theta. Here we can observe that cosecant theta is hypotenuse by opposite side. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So we have to find the adjacent side. So in triangle ABC, let angle B be 90 degree and angle C be theta. We are given cosecant theta is equal to 13 by 12, which is hypotenuse by opposite side. So hypotenuse is 13 here, opposite side is 12. Now we have to find adjacent side since cos theta involves adjacent side. So BC is equal to square root of AC square minus AB square. AC is 13 square minus AB is 12 square. 13 square is 169 minus 144, that is equal to 25. So this is 5 units. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, isn't it? Here adjacent side is 5 units, hypotenuse is 13. So cos theta is 5 by 13. 26th question is taken from supplementary exam 2019 and it is a 2 marks question. Show that tan A into sin A plus cos A is equal to secant A is the question. Now LHS is tan A into sin A plus cos A. Here tan A can be rewritten as sin A and by cos A into sin A plus this cos A. Here if you multiply, you will get sin square A by cos A plus cos A. Here LCM is cos A. Here sin square A. Here LCM is cos square A. So cos A. So cos A into cos A, that is cos square A. That is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. By the identity we know it, by cos A. That 1 by cos A is equal to secant A. That is equal to RHS, hence proved. 27th question is 2 marks question which is taken from 2019 main exam question paper. Prove that 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta the whole square. Here LHS is 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. Now let us multiply both numerator and denominator with the conjugate of 1 minus cos theta, that is 1 plus cos theta. So this is equal to, numerator is equal to 1 plus cos theta the whole square. Denominator is 1 minus cos square theta by using a square minus b square. Now this thing I will do, observe, 1 plus cos theta upon, this is 1 minus sin cos square theta is sin square theta. That is equal to, let us put bracket to the whole thing, 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta the whole square. That is equal to, let us fragment this like this, 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole square, this one. Now we know that 1 by sin theta is equal to what? Cosecant theta plus cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta whole square, which is equal to RHS. Observe, hence proved.